Welcome to another video from the Voyager Robotics Classroom. This video is an update to my SketchUp video on how to make a 3D printed bracelet. It is intended to show how to use 123D Design and its specific tools to make the bracelet described in the SketchUp video. For more details, please watch the SketchUp video. Before you start on a project like this, it is helpful to understand the plan we are going to follow. For this project, we are going to sketch a section of a bracelet and use the circular pattern tool to make that section repeat over and over. In order for the sections to fit together without any gaps, it helps to do some math first to find a central angle that you can multiply by the number of times the pattern repeats to get a full 360-degree bracelet. For this video, I will make the bracelet with a pattern that repeats 10 times, so I need a 36-degree angle in order to get all 360 degrees around the circle. I also need to measure how large a bracelet I would like to make. My students use existing bracelets to measure the diameter, and then cut it in half to use as the radius of one section. For the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to use a radius of 60 millimeters, which is intentionally not a good bracelet size. It is left for the student to find the correct size. First, I will use the polyline tool to draw two radii separated by the angle I decided on before. I click on empty space to start a new sketch, then I type the size of the line I want and press Tab on the keyboard. To finish the line, I click where I want to place the other endpoint. To draw the second line, type the radius, press Tab, type the angle, then press Tab again. Click to finish the line. Close the sketch by clicking the green check, pressing Escape to end drawing, or drop a box primitive. Now draw the repeating pattern from one endpoint to the other. Don't forget to click Edit Sketch before starting. Now extrude the section to the height of the bracelet. To use the circular pattern tool, it is easiest to select the solid you want to copy first. Then choose the circular pattern tool from the Pattern Tool menu. Click on Axis and choose the central axis of the bracelet to make your copies. Drag the slider to add more copies and type into the box the number of copies you predetermined you will need for no gaps. Click outside to finish and use the Merge tool to combine each section into one object. Now the bracelet is finished and can be printed by adjusting the 3D printer's settings to remove infill, floor, and ceiling. Also, reduce shells to 1. Please check out our other videos for more projects and info.